everybody? Hope you're having a good day. All right, thank you for watching Cooking with Dave. It's the good stuff. Okay, today we're doing a simple recipe. You don't have to be a rocket scientist to do this one, but it's hash browns. Okay, so I already shaved up the hash browns. All right, these are a couple of potatoes here. All right, from the previous dinner that we had with the potato fondant, and then shaved up the ends of the potatoes. Okay, what I'm gonna do now, okay, I done let these soak for a little bit to get a lot of the starch out of it. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put them in. I don't have a cheesecloth or anything like that, but I'm gonna put it in a dish towel here, a very clean dish towel, by the way. And now I'm going to attempt to remove a lot of the water out of them. A lot of the water out of them. All right. All right, so once I finish this, I'll be right back with you. Hey, welcome back, everybody. I just want to say I appreciate everybody that gives me thumbs up, that watches my videos, and I hope you can tell your friends and families and significant other, and to give me thumbs up and subscribe and ring the bell. I would really, really appreciate it. But so getting back to the recipe here. Okay, I done finished removing majority of the water out of it. All right. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to transfer it over to the bowl here. All right. Oh, the good potatoes. My wife loves potatoes. Obviously, there's a lot of people that love potatoes too. All right. That is done. Now, the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to heat up some oil here. Not a lot of oil, just a little bit of oil to coat the pan. Excuse me, let me correct that. Skillet. This is not a pan. This is a bona fide skillet. Every home should have them, if you like cooking. So I'm going to let that come up to temperature. And as soon as it comes up to temperature, I'll be right back. Hey, welcome back, everybody. All right, my oil in the skillet, the black iron skillet, has basically come up to temperature. I took a little test piece here, and I threw it in. See? Very nice. I need to turn it down. Matter of fact, I'm going to turn it off because I think it's too hot. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put these potatoes in. I'm not cooking them all the way. I'm just cooking them enough. All right. Gotta get it all out. Gotta get it all out. Right. But basically, after you do this, with all the different ingredients I'm gonna add in, the flour, the egg, put a little thyme in there. I'm using some onion salt, not onion powder, because I don't have to use the regular salt, black pepper. All right, and listen, just for a few minutes, and then after this is done, I'll be right back with you. Welcome back, everybody. All right, this is the recap what's going on here. Right now, I'm cooking the potatoes, not all the way, but majority of the way. You can see the shine and everything else in the potato itself, how they look right here, right now. All right, because they have to go through a frying process after this here. And without further ado, let me get these out of the pan here. Excuse me, out of the skillet. All right. Get all the good yumminess. Alright. But always remember what I said before in a lot of my videos. You know, you taste your food along the way. Always making corrections in your seasoning. Okay? Because you don't want to cook your food all the way and all of a sudden, oh, well, I needed this, I needed that, I needed this. So, you would do it all the way. Okay, what I'm going to do now, I have to let this cool down a little bit. So what I'm going to actually do, I'm going to put it into the refrigerator for a little bit to help it along with cooling down. Because with the ingredients that I have to put in here, like the cheese, I'm using regular cheese, sharp cheddar cheese, and flour. I don't want to become, like, you know, with the cheese to melt immediately into the potatoes. So I'll be right back with you when it's cooled down. Hey, welcome back, everybody. Okay, what we got here? We have some sharp cheddar cheese. We got black pepper, cayenne pepper, and onion salt. Not onion powder, onion salt. I'm using this because I don't have to use the regular salt. I had mentioned that before. And I'm going to use all-purpose flour. Okay. I want to try to make these recipes as simple as possible that anybody can do. So I know some people get intimidated when they have to cook. They get scared. But I was like that at one time, but I found out that it's very simple. It's very simple. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add my cheese. Add my cheese. Get your hands in there, mix it up, mix it up, mix it up. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, next I'm going to add some pepper. Now, at this point, people might think I'm a little crazy, but taste your food. Taste your food. There's nothing wrong with tasting. It ain't going to kill you, but you need to know what your food tastes like. All right? You just think about the great chefs of the world, exactly what they do. Because they don't want to serve a bad product. You don't want to serve a bad product. All right. Next thing I'm going to add is a little cayenne pepper for a little bit of kick. Doesn't take much. Just a little bit of kick. That's what you're looking for. Oh boy, she's looking real good right now. Now, I'm going to place this last ingredient in. The onion salt. Okay. Whoop, I lost some, but that's okay. Now this is where I make my adjustments. Oh, that is so good. Just a little bit more onion salt. And I'm squared away. That is good. We had this potato, this hash brown when we was on the Norwegian getaway in the Haven. And it was just so good, so delicious. All right, and every day when we ate in the Haven restaurant, we always had the hash brown because it was just so good. Okay, let's get back to the recipe here. Now, what I'm going to do, I don't use tablespoons, teaspoons. This is by eye and feel with your food. All right. So right now, as you can see I can actually shape it if I wanted to shape it right now, whatever I want it to be. Okay. So what I'm going to also do now, I'm going to add at a time. I'm going to add a tablespoon of flour. Well, I'm just using a regular tablespoon. I'm not with the. Get in there. Whoops. I can't lose this. Sorry. Get in there and just start mixing it up. All right. But the most important thing about when you're cooking, make it your own. Make the recipe your own. Add different stuff to it to make it your own. All right. That's the fun of it. That's the fun of it. All right. I'm going to add one more tablespoon of flour, and she should be ready to go. Oh yeah. See, this is what you can do with it now. And there we go. All right. Now what I'm going to do, and I'll be right back with you, I have to heat up the oil, okay, in the skillet. So as soon as I start to heat up the oil, I'll be right back. Hey, welcome back, everybody. Okay, I already made two already. Well, let me show you how I actually make them, all right? All right, just take, see, I got a little piece of wax paper down here. All right, so basically I do it into a bowl, a little press down, and I start giving my little shape here. And I'll flip it on the other side and give it a little shape a little bit more. All right, there we go. Now you can make them in any shape that you like. All right. So, and there it is, and the last one's going to be a pretty small one. So you know, remember this: the chef always gets the extra. There's no doubt about that. So if anybody says, "Ah, why did you get that?" Because I'm cooking it. All right. I'm gonna ball this up a little bit more. Yeah, it's a small one. So I'm gonna pick mine out right now. I'm sorry, this one and this one is mine. All right, that's how you do it. If anybody got a problem with it, just don't cook no more. All right, here we go. There we go. And the last one. All right, now we're gonna fry these up. And when I'm ready to flip, I'll be right back with you. Welcome back with Cooking with Dave. It's the good stuff. All right, I'm gonna start flipping them now. I'm gonna need something else here to flip them. All right. So here's the first flip. Looking good, looking good. Looking good. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. And there we go. That's the first flip. As you can see that, yes, we have the hash browns going. We got sausage. And we got boiled eggs going on over here. This is going to be my breakfast for my family. Me, my wife, and my daughter. All right. So I'm going to let these cook up. And we're going to finish it off after I'm done. All right, so I'll be right back. All right, what's up, people? Okay, this is the deal. It's time to flip them for the third time. Or the second time. I can't remember what it was. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes. That one's going to be really crunchy. That one's going to be super crunchy. Turn it down to low. And that was the last flip. I'm going to cook these completely on the side till they get to a little dark brown. And I'll be back when I take them off. Right now, I lowered it down to low. Okay? So, be right back. All right, everybody, welcome back. We're Cooking with Dave. All right, hash browns are done. I'm going to start removing them. I have turned the flame off. All right. You need to put them on a paper towel to absorb some of the oil. All right. Yes, these look fantastic. Oh yeah. All right. Okay, let me explain what I'm going to do here also with this oil. This oil is still good, all right? But what I'm going to do with that oil, I am going to strain that oil and put it to a small container for future use. Don't throw your oil away because you just used it one time. And potato is a good source of cleaning your oil, actually, okay? So, like I got eggs going here, sausage going here, hash browns are done, all right? In a few moments, I'm gonna be plating, all right? And I'll be right back with you. Hey, welcome back, everybody. All right, hash browns are done, okay? And this is my breakfast for my family. And we're gonna sit down and enjoy. Right now, I'm gonna do a plating on this here, okay? I'm going to, like I said, this is my plate, all right? So I'm getting mine. Okay, we got one egg. And I got two sausages. Okay, we do like tomatoes, so I'm gonna put a couple pieces of tomatoes. Uh-oh, lost one. Dogs will get it. Couple of pieces of tomatoes. And now what I'm going to do here, well, you don't have to do this the way I did it with the eggs. You can do it scrambled, fried, whatever which way you like. Okay? All right. A little salt. I like pepper. And that is the hash browns we made from the potatoes. Easy, very easy recipe. If you can just follow it, make it your own. Sausage, tomatoes, and one boiled egg. And once again, I keep saying, give me thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell. Tell your family and friends, and I would really appreciate it. And thank you for watching.